Top 7 mistakes to avoid when growing sage. Did you know sage can survive dry conditions and add incredible flavor to your meals? This hardy herb has been prized since ancient times for its culinary and medicinal benefits. But here's the thing. Most gardeners, even the seasoned ones, unknowingly make mistakes that leave their sage struggling, flavorless, or even dead. Let's fix that. In this video, we're going to dive into the 7 biggest mistakes people make when growing sage and how to avoid them. Overwatering. Sage is a drought-tolerant herb that prefers its soil on the dry side. Overwatering can cause root rot, which suffocates the roots and stunts the plant's growth. It's crucial to allow the top inch of soil to dry out between waterings. Make sure your pots have drainage holes and resist the urge to water on a schedule. Check the soil first. Overwatering is one of the quickest ways to lose a healthy sage plant. Planting in the shade. Sage thrives on sunlight and plenty of it. Without at least 6 hours of direct sun each day, sage plants become weak and leggy, with fewer and less flavorful leaves. Shady spots also encourage moisture retention, which can promote fungal diseases. Choose a bright, sunny location to plant your sage, whether it's in a garden bed or a sunny windowsill, to help it grow into a bushy, aromatic plant. Crowding the plants. Sage plants need room to breathe. When crowded together, poor airflow around the leaves creates a humid microenvironment perfect for pests and diseases. Space sage plants about 18 to 24 inches apart to ensure good circulation. Using heavy clay soil. Good drainage is essential for sage. Heavy clay-rich soils retain too much water, which can suffocate roots and encourage fungal diseases. Instead, plant sage in light, sandy, or loamy soil with excellent drainage. If you're growing sage in a pot, mix in perlite or coarse sand to improve airflow around the roots. Well-draining soil keeps sage plants happy and thriving. Neglecting pruning. Don't let your sage get scraggly. Regular pruning promotes new, tender growth and keeps the plant from becoming woody and unproductive. Trim back about 1/3 of the plant in early spring and continue to snip stems throughout the growing season. Harvesting sage regularly also encourages a bushier shape and a longer lifespan for the plant. Plus, it gives you a steady supply of aromatic leaves. Forgetting winter care. In colder climates, sage needs protection from freezing temperatures. Unprotected sage plants can suffer frost damage and may not return in the spring. Mulch heavily around the base of outdoor plants to insulate the roots. For potted sage, bring the containers indoors to a sunny windowsill or a cool, well-lit area. Winter care ensures your sage survives to flavor your dishes year after year. Over-fertilizing. While sage appreciates a bit of nutrition, it's a light feeder that doesn't need heavy fertilizing. Excess fertilizer, especially high nitrogen types, can produce lush foliage with reduced flavor and aroma. Use a balanced, low-strength fertilizer sparingly in spring when new growth begins. Too much fertilizer can also make sage more susceptible to pests and diseases. Sometimes, less truly is more. Sage is tough, flavorful, and rewarding, but only if you avoid these common pitfalls. With the right care, your sage can thrive season after season. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like it and let us know in the comments. Have you made any of these mistakes? Or do you have tips for growing the best sage? And if you want to see just how powerful this herb really is, don't miss this video on benefits of sage. You'll learn why it's so much more than just a kitchen staple. And remember, life is better when you garden.